I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Damn, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe. Sun don't shine when you go away, hey. Baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay, okay, with everything I gave her.
Good morning, world. Welcome back to the channel. You know it's the boy Holy Fire 777. Shut up. And runner, so I'm around the back of the apartment with my fowls them, my dungo fowl them. Yes, these are some common fowl. In Jamaica we call them common fowl or dungo fowl. Yeah. So yes peeps, welcome back to the channel. Yeah. You know today's what? Today's what, the 3rd? Today's the 3rd of January. Yeah. So thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing, and thank you for tuning to my channel when you could be watching another channel. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect for that. Enough love and respect for that peeps. Really appreciate that. So this morning I get up. I say when I go eat, I had no idea. At the same time I'm washing because my clothes and the laundry, but the laundry they're nearby, then I dryer. Yeah, so I say I'm going to look about some food. So I say, okay then, what am I going to look about? So guess what peeps? Guess what? You wouldn't even guess. If I even guess, you couldn't guess what up on the menu this morning. I'm on the menu vlog breakfast, but it's a special breakfast. So this morning, so I'm just get a piece of pumpkin. I get one pumpkin the other day, so I grate a piece of pumpkin. And look about some salt fish. And over here so I have Miss Dawn Jamaican cold pressed virgin coconut oil. And trust me, this smell, I buy coconut oil already from other companies, coconut oil, other brand, and it don't smell like this. This smell like real coconut oil. It is real coconut oil. And I have some J Smells all-purpose flour. And I have seasoning. I have some Jamaican seasoning. And I have, guess what? Guess what this is? I bet you in the comment section you could never guess and tell me what this is. Some people that say a weed. Look like weed, don't? Look on it. Look like weed, don't? But guess what this is? This is actually meringue powder. I make this meringue powder. I get the meringue and I dry it, not in the sun, but I guess I can quail it in the sun. But I put it down and it dry, leaf and dry, and then I blend the leaves. Blend it, yes, and get it like this. I blend it and get it like this. Strain it and everything and get it out. So this is not weed. So when I send a po for me, because weed illegal in a Cayman. This is actually meringue powder. So I'm gonna use it to cook with. And get the message. Make sure I say everything. So, like I said, this morning we look about some pumpkin fried fritters. I never tried that one yet. I say I have pumpkin, nice pumpkin. So I say it doesn't work with it. Yeah. So right now, I'm going to show the flour on the pumpkin. Yeah. Some other flour here on the pumpkin. Yeah. And pumpkin is something where contain a lot of water. So be careful how much water you throw in because you say have a lot of water. It's got a lot of water on it. Yeah, I forgot to never wash the escallion yet. So I rinse off the escallion. Yeah, no, I use no onion, I use just scallion tonight. Just cut up it, pick and fast. Right. Just cut it up. You know, to get flavor. And then I have some thyme. So I have thyme. Yes, I do have thyme. Not thyme, but thyme. Yeah. Thyme. I got thyme. Yeah. I got me some thyme peeps. And then I have pepper. So the pepper you know, but then I use the pepper here. Steam some fish and I use one night and it was too hot. So I'm gonna use one whole one this morning. I'm gonna use piece of it. I'm gonna use just piece, not all of it. Not all of it. And at the same time, no, but whenever time I about flour, I have to put a little bit of caramel in it. So I use a little bit of caramel, not too much, just a little bit. For the fry. So you know you want to caramel in it. Because caramel is something you have to cook out properly. Or else it will hurt your belly. And then as I say, meringue powder in it too. Yeah, put a meringue. So on the meringue powder in it. Yeah. Some of my meringue powder. Yeah, so I meringue powder a little bit. Actually, I was just testing to see if I could actually do it, as in getting the powder. So now that I know, and nobody never show me neither, so now that I know, I'm going to do a whole heap more, so I can get a whole heap. Yeah, so apparently this one some more flour in it. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. Throw a little water now. And bring up the flavor and put some Jamaican seasoning too. Not too much. So our spur tree season, jerk season. And this is same spur tree. Yes, it's a jerk, but I guess one different. So, yeah. So in the meantime, between time, I light the stove. So the pot going hot. And I cut my finger like a wild peeps. So I don't like cut things in my hand and I cut my finger and the pepper burn me. Yeah. And then I mix it around and around and around. Put my saltfish in it. Whenever time I'm looking about saltfish because I always like putting up saltfish in it. Yeah, so saltfish did a soak for a longer time. So it is not salt. So you don't want no saltfish, so you don't want no salt in a pot now. You don't want no salt in the flour or anything like that. Yeah. So this is breakfast. Pumpkin fritters. Jamaican style. Peeps, this is like too much of breakfast now, don't? Yeah. I put a little bit too much flour. I'm going to show the oil now because you see, one thing in coconut oil, easily burn. Yeah. It burns easily, but trust me. From the other day, I buy nothing but coconut oil because I love it. I don't believe in the other oil. The other oil is cheaper, but can't bother with them. It's full of vegetable oil. I don't know what kind of vegetable they use make oil. I know coconut. And I Caribbean I live. I know coconut. I know about no vegetable. I know what kind of vegetable they get oil from. Get me I say? I'm gonna need no gallon of oil. I need more than liquor bottle because I don't have no restaurant around. So I might say when I buy a cheaper one I get bigger bottle, but this work out just fine for me. And actually the bottle actually is dearer too because I pay like $31 for this bottle of oil. This is like 1 liter. And normally the other big one, simple natural one, you know go $30. We're bigger than that. And a $30. And this is a $31 I'm gonna pay for this. So none of this is a Jamaican and a real. So it's a price. And your peeps stick and stay. Don't go no way. Don't go no way. Yeah. The oil, let me tell you, the coconut oil, see? In the mine shop, it burn up. So what I'm gonna do now, put in this one now. And I do fritters. I can put in enough like a dumpling and fry. Put in just a bit. Yeah. Just a bit, tips. Yeah. That is it. Got that. On my pumpkin fritters with saltfish. It's mad, don't? I never seen nothing like that yet. You have never seen anything like that yet. Actually, I never tried that yet either, but you know, like the Spirit said, try that. Spirit said, try that. Try it. So I'm just try it, you know? Yeah. But you look good still. Hope it tastes like how you look. And I tell you, say the aisle smell nice. The aisle smell nice, real nice. Yeah. The aisle smell nice, babes. And cause you see the coconut oil, if you leave it on the fire, it seems like it'll burn, cause the oil get real, even like it look like it burning, but actually it not burn. So as soon as you put whatever you put in it, cool down, but it's not burning, but the oil is easy to burn. Yeah. So there, peeps, frying some pumpkin dumpling. Yes, if this is the first time joining the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. And big up my subscriber. If you want the channel, you can tell me who buy me that fork here. And that spoon here I use mix up. I may have more too. And tell me, and I get a prize. Tell me who buy it. All the way from Florida. All the way from Florida. All the way from Florida. Because actually when I used to fry fish, see, I've been trying to get them here a long time. I'm not sitting on the nice supermarket here. I'm not sitting on the day here, but I've been trying. I'm not sitting on. So when I used to fry fish, it used to burn me up. Yeah. So my subscriber watching. And then she come to Cayman from Florida. And she buy them here. So what's your name? What's her name? Her name is Miss Juliet. Big up yourself, Miss Juliet. And then Andrew Holness' wife neither. Is not Andrew Holness' wife. So I think it's Andrew Holness' wife. You know what I say? Miss Juliet Campbell from Florida. Big up yourself. Yeah, so now we can fry things without getting burned. So all when not for we know, all when we fry things we not get burned. And some of it, when we fry things we get burned. If you know, you know. Yeah. a pumpkin flitters. Pumpkin. You know, scholars say about pumpkin dumpling. I'm gonna try it and it's nice stuff. And thing. And even coconut dumpling. I've tried that too. Tastes nice. But I never tried the flitters. So some people might think you have to cook the pumpkin first. No. I'm gonna do a grater it. Yeah, grate the pumpkin. Yeah, I grate the pumpkin. And what I'm doing here, actually, I'm boil them. Yeah, so yeah. So that the oil soak through it. Yeah, I boil it. Right about now, I'm going to need ant oil. Because that's a lot of grease. Same way, even though coconut oil is healthy, that's a lot of grease. So I'm going to get my ant oil. Quick and see, don't go away. Don't go away! Yes, people, I'm back. Yes, I'm black. Yeah, so I'm going to get my ant oil. I always have ant oil. I don't know ant oil. I always love to have ant oil. Not food oil, you know, ant oil. Not food oil, ant oil. And the still keeps the fat nail job, but you know job. Yeah, so put the ant oil here. Yeah. And put the dumpling in bites. Put that in it, so suck out the oil. Yeah. Look at that now. You see it? Golden brown. Yeah, so I like it. Big up yourself, my mother. Yeah. I live with my mother from about 9 years old, I cook. And I mean real cook, I'm not about play cooking neither, I'm not about dolly house cooking, I mean cook. Because at one point, my mother alone they live. When me a 9. When me a 9, yes. My mother let me know say my time. To shine in the kitchen, yes. Cooking, even chicken. Yeah. So mommy come home from work and she get her dinner because she know her big son a winner. You get me I say? Yeah. I know I'm bigger than even a superstar. You get me I say? No, I'm bigger, I'm much cleaner. Anyway, let's try right. Like Bunty. Yeah, so they're ready to take out now. They are ready to take out now. So big up Miss Juliet. Now I'm in the kitchen, I have to get bun. Because my thing in the kitchen, I don't normally even wear a shirt. Normally just wear my marina. Look at that. So now I don't want anything you leave in there, you know, make your eye get black. Put them that spoon here, having liquor water. And now, if I dip it in there like that, now we get burned. Yeah. Holy smoke. So I'm going to put in one more portion. I put in one more portion. Because you know every time we bathe I have to wear lotion. Yeah. So man said my man don't wear lotion, but I wear lotion. I'm love when my skin smooth. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. So look like my fry just enough, man. I mix just enough, I should say. Just like done like this up. Mix for this my tool. Use my not left back nothing to do nothing more. Just everything in there at one time. Like I say, my clothes them run a laundry dry. I know so them good at dry by now. So I go for them too. I'm not done this. I'm just doing this first. You see that? I'm just doing this first. Yes, peeps. And look here now. Look at this. So let me taste the first one. My first one. And see it there, peeps? See it there? Actually, I'm using enough pumpkin. I can taste the pumpkin night. And it tastes good. But enough saltfish night too. No saltfish night. I could do this more often. One thing, to be honest, saltfish could have soak a little bit more. Just a little bit too salt, not too much, but yeah. So I don't really like nothing too salty or too sweet. Yeah. But that's my honest opinion. But otherwise, we're up like 7. This up, so very up. Yes, Steve. So anyway, stick and stay. I'm gonna go. We're going to burn me, you know. We're not burn me. Not today, Bobo. That's it. Right about now, you must always learn to share. You must always learn to share. So, I go share. I go share with the fold them. Make them taste it too. You must always learn to share, peeps. Anyway, I'm alone on here. Go and enjoy yourself here and big up yourself. The rest of them run in front. Then I really realize that just one of them run here. So you end up going to enjoy yourself. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm catching back. Now make some tea. I'm gonna make some mint with the meringue. Put mint and meringue together. So stick and stay. Don't go away. One fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps, yeah, clean off the counter. Actually, I went to get my clothes because my clothes are at the laundry. It was like 3 minutes away. Yeah. So I came back and I get myself some tea. Some real healthy tea, peeps. Some meringue and what? Mint. And I put a little bit of sugar. You don't want it sweet, just brackish. And in Jamaica, all Jamaicans, you know the style that we just use one buckle and show sugar in it. So if you know, you know, especially we grow a country, you know, so we do it. Yeah, this can take a little bit more sugar. This is extremely light, just water, fresh, but I'm say fresh and fresh. And then we'll leave when I make it cool and put in the fridge and make it cool. We'll leave and drink the same way. Nothing now waste, nothing now that shit. You see the peeps? It's my pumpkin fritters. Yummy. I know, I'm not eat off everything one time. And not because I'm recording, I'm saying it. You can't eat off everything, man. It's a lot. This is how we of food is. To eat. But it tastes good. Trust me, people. It tastes really good. So anyhow, I'm gonna hold a seat. I hold a start. Yeah. And finish eating breakfast. So, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Really appreciate you all. So, until next video, big up on yourself. Have yourself a wonderful day. Peace. And next thing, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, hold the fire. Love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. And remember, love yourself first. Happy New Year. Peace out.
Last time I say the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang the song was